Good afternoon everyone, my name is Joshua A. Arellano and I'm going to tackle this afternoon is all about WMP, which means Windows Media Player. Good afternoon everyone. So first, we're going to tackle the history of Windows Media Player. So what is the history of Windows Media Player? So first, the first version of the Windows Media Player came in about 1991. It was ended to be used with the Windows 3.0. At that time, it was called Media Player. It has been included with every version of Windows since Windows 98. The current release bundle with Windows 7, Windows 8, and Windows 10 is a version 12 since the release of version 7. So support for burning and ripping audio, CDs has been included as well. So a classic multimedia player for Windows. So Windows Media Player is one of the most popular multimedia players in the world. As the default choice for Windows PCs, this software lets you play music and videos without any issues. WMP means Windows Media Player comes as a built-in media player with every version of the Windows operating system. Over the years, regular updates have introduced new features, making tool more powerful than iTunes. For Windows, VLC and other similar apps with a familiar interface, you can start using this multimedia player from the get-go. So what are the features? So here are the features of Windows Media Player. So as mentioned earlier, WMP comes with many features. So you can enjoy multimedia content or Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, Mac, Android, and other platforms. There's a create a playlist feature which lets you create a customized video or music playlist. With this function, you can use the drag and drop interface to simplify add files from the system, internal hard drive, or other sources like iTunes. So, since the tool supports a 5-star rating system, you can easily organize all the files. So, Windows Media Player comes with many of the assets features available in different versions over the years. So, for instance, the app still has a CD burner, which makes it easier to create perfect mixes. You just have to drag and drop files into a burn list to start burning CDs. With WMP, you can even choose a preferred audio file type, bitrate, and other parameters before ripping music. So what are the limitations? There are limitations when it comes to installing Windows Media Player in your PCs or other platforms or like iPad like that. So here are some limitations. So first, while Windows Media Player comes with some excellent features, it also has a few limitations. For instances, whether you have a small media collection or a comprehensive library, the program displays incorrect or missing metadata. Moreover, it doesn't support live streaming, making it possible to determine. For some users, some prominent features are still missing as well. There is no podcast capability, which is already present in the iTunes for Windows. Most importantly, Windows Media Player doesn't have a good music store, which can make it difficult to download new songs. Go down to our topic, I'll define what is Windows Media Player. So, Windows Media Player, WMP for short, is a software application from Microsoft used to play, store, or and organize digital audio, images, and video. While earlier editions of WMP were released for PCs running a variety of operating system. So what we call operating system? So, operating system is the program that after being initially loaded into the computer by a bot program, manage all of the other applications, programs in a computer. The application programs make use of the operating system by making requests for services through a defined application program interface or API. In addition, users can interact directly with the operating system through a user's interface, such as Command Line Interface, or CLI for short, or a graphical UI, or GUI. We use an operating system. An operating system brings powerful benefits to computer software and software development. Without an operating system, every application would need to include its own UI, as well as the comprehensive code needed to handle all low-level functionality of the underlying computer, such as a disk storage, network interfaces, and so on. Considering the vast array or underlying hardware available, this would vastly bloat the size of every application and make software development impractical. Instead, many common tasks, such as sending a network packet or displaying text on a standard output device, such as a display, can be offloaded to a system software that serves as an intermediary between the application and the hardware. The system software provides a consistent and repeatable way for application to interact with the hardware without the applications needing to know any details about the hardware. As long as each application accesses the same resources and services in the same that system software, the operating system can service almost any number of applications. This vastly reduces the amount of the time and coding required to develop and debug an application, while ensuring that users can control, configure, and manage the system hardware through a common and well-understood interface. Operating system, including Windows Mobile, uses the WMB, which is Windows Media Video, and WMA, which is Windows Media Audio, and we have here ASF, which means Advanced System Format. So what is Advanced System Format? The Advanced System Format, ASF for short, is the preferred Windows Media File format with Windows Media Player if the appropriate codecs are installed on your computer. You can play audio content, video content, or both. That is compressed with a wide variety of codecs and that is stored in an ASF file. Additionally, you can stream audio and video content with Windows Media Services, or you can package the content with Windows Media Rights Manager. ASF is an extensible file format for the store's synchronized multimedia data. It supports data delivery over a wide variety of networks and protocols. It is also suitable for local playback. ASF supports advanced multimedia capabilities, including extensible media types, component download, scalable media types, author-specified stream prioritization, multiple language support, and extensive capabilities that include document and content management. Typically, ASF files that contain audio content that is compressed with the Windows Media Audio, which is WMA. Codec use the WMA extension. Similarly, ASF files that contain audio content, video content, or both that is compressed with Windows Media Audio, WMA for short, and Windows Media Video, which is WMV for short. Codec use the WMV extensions. Finally, content that is compressed with any other codec use the generic ASF extension. So that's the definition of ASF, or Advanced System Format. As we continue to our topic, so file formats to encode audio and video downloaded from the internet or ripped from compact disc. So what is compact disc? So compact disc, CD for short, is a molded plastic disc containing digital data that is scanned by a laser beam for the reproduction of recorded sound and other information. Since it is commercial introduction in 1982, the audio CD has almost completely replaced the photograph disc or record for fidelity recorded music, invented by Philips Electronics NV and Sony Corporation in 1980s. The compact disc has expanded beyond audio recording into the storage and distribution used notably for computer CD-ROM and entertainment system, which is DVDs. As we continue to our topic, so recent version of WMP also include the ability to synchronize digital media with a portable media player like Microsoft Zone. So what is Microsoft Zone? A digital music and video service from Microsoft for Windows PCs. Windows phones and Xbox introduced in 2006. The Zone brand referred to the entire system including a physical hardware player, software, and music store in the late 2011. The hardware was dropped, but the software remained as the organizer and the synchronizer for Windows Phone. Zone functionality was incorporated into Windows Phone just like iPod, but was built into iPhone. See Zone software. Zone hardware launched more than 5 years after the iPod. The 30 gig hard disk based player more than 5 years after the iPod. Our topic about Windows Media Player. So, recent version of Windows Media Player also include the ability to synchronize the digital media with a portable media player like Microsoft Zone or Creative Zen, and purchase or rent content from online media store because of Windows Media Player uses Microsoft Windows Media DRM, not FairPlay. FairPlay DRM for sure. Files encoded using Windows Media Player are not compatible with the iPod, facing increased competition from the Apple computers or iTunes software. Microsoft released Windows Media Player 11 in the fall of 2006. The new version incorporated by the fall of 2006 improved navigation of media files, live search improved navigation of media files, live search features, CD burning, media library, sharing, and improved support for streaming. So as we continue to our topic about Windows Media Player, so we have here some file types supported by Windows Media Player. So here are the list of file types that supported by Windows Media Player. So first, Windows Media Format. We have here ASF, WMA, WMB that we discussed earlier, and also the second is Windows Media Metafiles. We have here ASX, WAX, WVX, WMX, and WMPL. We have here the third one is Microsoft Digital Video Recording. We have here Windows Media Download Package. We have here Audio Visual Interleave, AVI for short, Moving Pictures Expert, Group, MPG, MPEG, MIV, MP2, MP3, MPA, MPE, and the last is M3V. We have here Musical Instrument Digital Interface, which is MID, MIDI, and RMI. We have here also Audio Interchange File Format, AIF, AIFC, AIFF. And we have here Sound Microsystem and Next. We have here also Audio for Windows, CD Audio Track, InView Video Technology, Windows Media Player Skins, QuickTime Movie File, MP for Audio File, which is, or for short, MP4. We have here MP for Video File, MP4, MP4V, MP4V, 3G2, 3GP2, 3GP, and 3GPP. We have here Windows Audio File, AAC, ADT, ADTS. We have here MPEG-2, TS Video File, or for short M2TS. And where the last one is Free Lossless Audio Codec, which for short is FLAC, FLAC. As we continue to our topic, so here are the 12 best Windows Media Player alternatives. So first we have here VCL Media Player. So what is VCL Media Player? So VCL Media Player is a free and open source cross-platform multimedia player that plays most multimedia files as well as disks, devices, and network streaming protocols. It was written originally by Franco Aintin in France in 1996 for a French Minitel online service called Canal Plus. The French government funded its development from 1996 to 2000 with $45. The VCL Media Player is published under the GNU, or for short, General Public License version. It is able to stream over computer networks, and just like Windows Media Player, VLC supports both audio and video file formats. It can also be used as streaming server that duplicates the stream. It reads on the fly or transcode multimedia files and streams. And the second here is Kodi. So what is Kodi? So as we tackle about Kodi, we have here Kodi is award-winning free and open source home theater, media center software, and entertainment hub for digital media. It is available on a variety of devices. Kodi can be used to play almost all popular audio, video, internet, radio, TV shows. It has superior visualization techniques that provides endless customization to how to view your media. It has multimedia third-party and ONS that allows users to access video channels, movies, TV shows, and much more for free and paid content zero advertisement. When we tackle about, we have here also this application can be used as far as we tackle this Kodi. This application can be used on almost all operating systems, including Windows, Linux, Unix, and Mac OS X. Some areas where Kodi shares similar features with the Windows Media Player are the music playback, including FLAC and PC. As I mentioned earlier, we have here including FLAC, MPC, MAV, and video playback, of which you can adjust the resolution up to 1080 or Full HD. However, Kodi has superior video codecs that allow for smooth movie playback. So as we continue to our topic, Kodi is available on a variety of devices and operating systems, allowing it to be used through TV, a laptop, or mobile devices. Its best features include speaker slideshows, which transition affects the music playback, audio visualization, custom skins for great viewing experiences. In addition to the above features, Kodi also has made additions, ones that makes it an excellent choice as a Windows Media Player replacement. So as we continue for our topic, we have here the third one is Pot Player. So what is Pot Player? We have here. So let me discuss to you what is the meaning of Pot Player. So Pot Player is another tool like the Windows Media Player that supports all major video format. It was developed by South Korean company, or what we call Kakao. It has a wide range of features, but it lacks the support of DVDs. It downloads subtitles automatically, and you can also edit them manually to make them more accurate to fit your needs. So it has multiple features which other media players lack. Compared to Windows Media Player, Pot Players is like a breath or fresh air with its simplified interface. The software was designed to ease of use in mind, and it has clean interface, not cluttered with useless tools or features. And PodPlayer works well on WinXP, WinVista X64 platform, native 64-bit build, and you can drag and drop files or use the file browser to open video files. It also downloads subtitles automatically for you to make it more fun while watching movies. The software can play all popular media formats, including AVI, MPG, MPEG, WMV, MKV, and FLTV, and etc. So, this tool provides many useful features, including video color control, brightness, contrast, and saturation, advanced subtitle options, multiple audio stream selections for AVI, files built-in codes to support various formats without downloading additional codecs on the internet. The software also allows users to save playlists for latest use or send them via email. It is a free media player with no spyware, adware included. PodPlayer supports DXVA, hardware acceleration, network broadcasting multi-monitor configurations, various audio, video filters, and much more. This Windows-based multimedia player is capable of fulfilling all your needs in playing videos or audio. It has initiative interface that offers quick access to the media files you need, while its powerful playback engine allows for smooth playbacks with minimal shattering. Even with CPU powers is enough. So as we go down to our topic, we have here Flex Media Server. So what is Flex Media Server? So let me discuss to you right now. Alright? So Flex Media Server is a free media server that can index and stream your digital content in various ways. It comes in both paid version, FlixPass, which offer more features like cloud sync, photo streaming, and etc. Flix also has apps for major platforms including Android TV boxes, iPhone, iPad, Samsung Smart TVs, and Blu-ray players, LG Smart TVs, and more. It takes care of large media collection, automatically converts your media on the fly, and streams it to all of your devices, smart TVs included. Flix Media Player, or what we call Flix Media Server, supports videos in almost any format you can imagine. This includes DVDs, Blu-ray discs, and a number of digital video formats including MKV, MPV, MOV, AVE, and etc. It also allows the streaming of media files from your computer to compatible devices. Flix Media Server is available for Windows, Mac, OS, X, Linux, and etc. It can also run a Raspberry Pi, which is suitable even if you have no dedicated HTPC or PC running 24 to 365 in the background. What makes Flix Media different from Windows Media Player? So, well, there are many reasons, but the most important one is that it's a free and open source software, which means it can be customized to your needs. And we go down to our topic. Wait a minute. So number 5 is WM Power User. So what is WM Power User? So as we go down to our topic. Okay. So WM Power User is one of the best Windows Media Player alternatives. WM Power User is a free cross-platform application that provides users with multiple video format support, loads of extra features included. So here are some features: simple media browser, easy to use interface, built-in podcast directory, remote control for the WM Power users via Wi-Fi. The difference between the WM Power users and Windows Media Player is that the former allows you to play, download, or search for online music and video files easily while browsing through a media library. WMP user also includes a built-in media library, and it supports music, photos, and videos. It also has a simple audio converter and downloader for online videos. However, WMP user supports Windows only, XP, and latest versions. This makes it less popular than other free multimedia players like VLC and TM Player. So, number 6, 5K player. So, what is 5K player? Let me define for you what is 5K player, okay? So, 5K player is a powerful media player that can play both audio and video files. It also supports downloading online videos from YouTube, Facebook, Vimeo, etc. etc. However, it does not support subtitles at the moment. From the program has an intuitive interface with all necessary functions displayed in nice looking menus for easy access. It comes with a built-in video editor, which allows you to cut and join videos or merge several clips into one file. The program supports all popular formats and audio and video files. You can even set up your own configurations for each format if necessary. So, like with Windows Media Player, there are also options available to optimize the video or audio output. The program also offers an equalizer, which you can use to adjust your soundtracks according to what type of devices is being used to playback, like headphones, like that. Or with these features, enable you to get a better listening experience, regardless of whether you are using speakers or earphones, like AirPods, like that. So there are also other useful tools that come with the program, such as video thumbnail generator and cover at the finder. The program also allows you to remove parts of your videos, like commercials, like that, or apply special effects like watermarks and many more. Audio files can be split into several fragments so that they are easier to handle in the future. The program comes with a large number of free skins that you can use to change the visual and appearance of your player interface. It also includes the equalizer, which lets you adjust soundtracks according to what type of device is being used for playback, like headphones, like that. With these features enable you to get a better listening experience. The program also allows you to add subtitles and annotations, which can useful in the video was downloaded from a foreign website or in case your hearing is impaired. In addition, it supports various audio formats, MPC, OGG, or as well as most popular media containers, or AVI. So as we go down, as we continue, for number 7, for the best Windows Media Player alternatives, we have here also Media Monkey. So what is Media Monkey? As we go down to our topic. Okay? So as we continue, Media Monkey is considered to be one of the best music players for Windows OS. It has a very high sound quality and when an impressive library management system. It can help you organize your entire media collection with ease. The software allows you to edit ID tags such as artist name or album info, which makes finding tracks fast and easy. With its built-in tools, you can also fix incorrect metadata and album art with ease. Another great features of this app is possibility to create playlists. You can use smart or manual playlists depending on your needs or preferences. You can add tracks from anywhere in your library, such as local libraries. It supports multiple ones, internet radios, and even more from friends' libraries. The app contains a built-in equalizer with several presets to suit in music genre you may want to play. One area Media Monkey is clear of Windows Media Player. It is the ability to sync with a wide range of devices. It can work the Windows iOS and Android smartphones as well as several types of MP players.
It also possible to use Media Monkey for watching videos or listening to music on your home theater system via DLNA service. If you just want to app that can play music or videos with ease, Media Monkey is the perfect choice. So the number 8 for the best Windows Media Player alternatives is KM Player. So what is KM Player? Let me define for you. Wait a minute. So KM Player is an all-purpose media player which is capable of playing almost any video file. It supports a wide range of audio and video codecs, subtitles, skins, and etc., making it the most customized Windows Media Player alternative available in this list. Game Player's uses interface looks outdated when compared to Windows Media Player in our collection, but it doesn't mean it's not good. Okay? On the contrary, this is a very efficient and useful piece of software that can compete with any other video player on the market today in terms of features and performance. So Game Player supports keyboard shortcuts to offer you some additional control over your videos or audio files while playing them so you don't have to use your mouse all the time. So here are some of the major features include for the game players. Or I mean KM player. Yeah, KM player. So first is playback of any file format imaginable. Playback in high quality and with many visual effects. Support for subtitles. Embedded files, external files, and CEA 608. Closed captions. We have here also support for skins including Winamp Classic skin and customizable keyboard shortcuts. And also we have here support for video playback and Android devices via third-party software and many more. So the number 9 is GOM Player or GOM Player. GOM Player is a free media player for Windows that can play all your movies, music, and videos. It supports almost every format out there. The app features an attractive interface with extensive options to customize in according to needs. GOM Player also has advanced video audio configuration settings that let you adjust different visual and audio parameters like brightness, contrast, and volume to get the best out of your movies. GOM Player also allows you to capture the videos from DVDs as well as record audio from CDs with its built-in CD DVD burner. You can even use GOM Player excellent playlist features like Smart Playlist that let you organize and manage your video library in every effective way. It is similar to Windows Media Player in many ways, but offers a lot more in terms of customization and configuration options. It is fast, lightweight, and has very good audio quality, with support for most popular audio and video formats available out there, like AVI, MPC, DAT, and many more. So as we go down, we have here the number 10 is DivX Player, or what we have DivX Player. DivX Player has developed by a company called DivX Inc. The software is available for Windows and Mac OS X operating system, as well as Linux distros such as Ubuntu. It can be used to play video files that are encoded with the MPEG-X codecs, including AVI, MKV, MPE, MPG, MPEG, PES, MPE, TS, MPG, PS, and MOV. It also supports playback of more standard video formats such as WMP ASF or MPEG-I SF through the use of available codecs for these file types. DivX Player offers a nice feature set including support for subtitles, files, aspect ratio adjustments, customizable shortcuts, and more. It has built-in video player for playing audio files and formats such as MPC, FLAC, or APE, while still being able to play videos at the same time. The software is free for charge, but it does have some limitations, or its functionalist that paid upgrades can remove. This includes full support for hardware acceleration, which will allow you to play high definition videos without having your computer freeze or crash. If you own a portable device like an Apple iPhone, DivX Player can also help transfer files between it in your personal computer or PC. The software is available in 25 languages, including English, German, French, Spanish, and Italian. It has been downloaded for more than 50 million times by users all over the world. So as we go down, we continue for the last two best Windows Media Player alternatives. Is number 11 is MPV. MPV is a free and open source cross-platform media player. It supports almost every video format you can name. Yes, even VCDs for audio files. It supports OGG-MP. It shares some similar features with the Windows Media Player, including the skinnable interface. It can be run in GUI mode or as a background service, allowing it to keep playing even when you can close down your computer, for example. It also supports subtitles and available or Windows OS X and Linux. Some of the best features of MPV include: first is it does not need any external codes to run. Second, very lightweight and uses very little of your system resources. Third, it can be used as background service, Windows, Linux, or OS X operating system. Fourth, it can play virtual any video format, including AVI and MP. Fifth, support subtitles and it's available in Windows, Linux, and OS X operating system. Six, it can run as background service or in GUI mode. Seven, it supports various media formats such as VCDs, DVDs, etc., and many more through the use of internal codecs. So it can also run almost an operating system including Windows, Linux, and OS X. Supports subtitles natively, but also has the option to download third-party one. If it does not support your language, or if you want more variety in terms of languages. So the last part is Parma Video Player. So here is the last part of our best Windows Media Player alternatives. So what is Parma Video Player? It's a similar tool to Windows Media Player for Mac users, based on the famed VLC player. Parma supports nearly every media file type you can think and features several customization options so that it will suit your own personal taste. It also free in the App Store. Some of the best features of the Parma Video Player include: supports nearly every media file type you can think of, playlist and play for added convenience. Several video filters such as contrast and brightness. Parma Video Player is a great choice if you're looking for download an alternative to the Windows Media Player that will support the majority of your files and have nice look feel. So that will be all. That's the report of it's all about multimedia player. So thank you, and thank you for listening about my topic.